In this video, we will learn how to select full conversation in Outlook email. So let's start this in my Outlook. So here I open the one email, okay, and I'm going to select this full conversation. In this email, have only one conversation. If you have a long conversation and if you want to select and copy that conversation, and if you want to select it, so normally people select with the mouse, just drag the below and select your mail conversation. Here I have one option to select full mail conversation. So go to the message tab. Here in message tab, in editing group, just click on this, here the arrow, and click on the drop down arrow, and here the first option, select all. Okay, when you click on the select all, the full mail conversation is selected. Here you can use the shortcut key also, the control A, to select the full email conversation. So this is a way you can select your email conversation. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.